All right, y'all, today we're cleaning a really dirty sidewalk. So I'll give you guys some concrete action. A front patio that's pretty much like black right now, and the front of this house right here that's pretty much covered in mold. So let's take a look at what we're gonna be cleaning today. So we got this. This is the front of the house. That's pretty much all I'll be showing you guys, because the main focus of this is cleaning the concrete. All right, because this is pretty much like black. I don't even know like what color the concrete is under here. Absolutely really black. And then this right here, this front porch. So it's gonna be interesting to see the transformation on this. The gutters, I don't know, like they're dirty right now. Once they come off, it looks like there'll still be some black left. I'm not doing gutter whitening, so we'll see the result of the aftermath of that. But yeah guys, so for when it's this dirty, you're gonna need to use a strong mix. So what I'm gonna do is, I have my softwash machine. I'm going to applicate this with my softwash machine versus downstreaming or X-jetting. I can pull a strong mix with the X-jet if I need to, but I'm specifically gonna start off using my softwash machine. And if I need an extra boost, then I'll X-jet it as well. But definitely pre-treat. If you do not pre-treat this, that would definitely be a very newbie thing to do, and your results that you got with just pressure would be less than desirable. So definitely pre-treat. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn my soft wash machine on, start spraying this, and let it sit here and do its thing while I wash the house. And washing the house, I will be using my pressure washer to wash the house. We're gonna X-jet it. I'll probably hit the front of the house though with my soft wash machine, just since it's already out. But let's get this party started. All right guys, step one, clear the air out of your soft wash machine. Step two, you need to pre-treat this concrete because it is horrendous. This is probably years and years of buildup. Who knows if this has ever been cleaned the way it looks. And then once I'm done pre-treating, I'm gonna show you guys the difference that a pre-treatment makes on the surface. I might even need some degreaser as well, but this might do the job. This just looks like years and years of organic buildup. You can see there's trees around here. So when these leaves fall on here, along with just, you know, the natural organics that build up on here, acorn stains and all that, just piled up and never being cleaned. This is the result of that. And like I said, I don't know how many years. I may ask the customer once I'm done how many years it's been since this concrete was cleaned. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Looks quite amazing if I say so myself, because as you guys remember, this was completely black, just disgusting, couldn't even see it. Here's the front porch. I mean guys, look at that. How can you not like this? How can you not love the results? It looks amazing. So yeah guys, that is pre-treating. Little SH gets the job done. It's the magic sauce. A little bit of dwell time, surface cleaner. Obviously I use my little mini one. That's pretty much all I use it for, is for small jobs when I want to pull off the big boy. And yeah, so I mean, this little $70 surface cleaner from Lowe's, and you know, you can get the job done. But guys, look at this concrete. I mean, look at that. It was completely black. I'm gonna post another picture. We're gonna show the before once again, just to remind you guys of how bad it was. I mean, look at that. Look at the difference. And then here's the house. This is like oddly satisfying. Cleaning, that's what we do. Now these neighbors across the street, hopefully they see this house and get jealous, because they need to call me, because that's not looking too good over there. But yeah guys, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new. Hopefully you go out and clean some concrete and get it looking as good as this one does. Anyway guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me you hate me, tell me you love me. Does not matter as long as you engage. See you guys in the next video.